Welcome to the online project update for the State Highway 76 and School Road intersection project in the town of Greenville. The project website includes information on the project overview, traffic impacts, schedule, WIS staff contact info, and a comment form available for the public for use to submit comments to WIS. This presentation will cover the purpose and need of the project, proposed alternatives, real estate impacts for each alternative, traffic control expected during construction, project schedule, brief discussion on other area projects, and WIS contact information. The WIS roadway project will focus on the Wisconsin 76 School Road intersection in the town of Greenville. Due to past concerns with safety and traffic delay, WIS is proposing to reconstruct this intersection. During the evaluation period of 2013 through 2018, this intersection had 13 reported crashes ranging in severity. The primary reason attributed to the crashes is inadequate gaps in traffic for vehicles going northbound to turn left off of Wisconsin 76, and also difficulty for school road traffic to safely enter onto Highway 76. Alternatives being proposed to address the need include reconstructing the intersection and replacing the two-way stop condition with either a roundabout or a traffic signal. Improvements proposed with either alternative also include lighting, culvert and storm sewer replacements, signing, pavement marking, curb and gutter, and pedestrian accommodations. Separate exhibits are available on the project website for each alternative. The roundabout alternative would include a single-lane layout on all approaches except for the added southbound right turn bypass lane. The pedestrian trail crossing on School Road would remain in place, and a connection to the intersection would be planned with future extensions to be determined by the town of Greenville outside of this project. Limits of the intersection improvement can be seen on this slide. An approximate cost of construction for the roundabout alternative is $2 million. The roundabout alternative will require roughly a half acre of right-of-way and also limited temporary grading easements. Based on historical data, this alternative will drastically reduce injury-related crashes, while at the same time, it would be expected that an uptick of fender-bender type accidents will happen as drivers get used to the new layout and traffic pattern. The second option being considered is a traffic signal. The traffic signal layout will include a separate left turn, through, and right turn lanes on both northbound and southbound Highway 76. School road legs of the intersection will include a separate left turn and a combined through and right turn lane. For improved vision, the left turn lanes will be separated from the through and right turn lanes via a curbed separator island. Limits of the signal alternative will stretch from Design Drive to Green Ridge Drive, as can be seen on the slide. The pedestrian trail crossing on School Road will need to be rerouted to the Wisconsin 76 intersection to allow for a safe refuge crossing. The signal alternative's approximate cost is $2.4 million, slightly higher as compared to the roundabout option due to the extended length of the project footprint for the turn lane lengths. The signal alternative will require slightly less real estate, about 0.26 acres, compared to the roundabout option due to less realignment near the intersection. When considering the change from a two-way stop-controlled intersection to a traffic signal, right-angle crashes would be expected to be reduced, but rear-end collisions would increase. Side-by-side alternatives have comparable stats that are considered during this phase of design. However, with safety in mind, which was the project's major need when comparing the roundabout and signal options, the roundabout option provides less risk of injury-related crashes as the conflict points are reduced. This means the location of potential interaction with opposing traffic is greatly reduced. Therefore, when considering the original project need, the roundabout option provides a higher safety benefit to the traveling public. Other considerations and planning for the project include the method of controlling traffic during construction. At this point, the project will be closed to through traffic regardless of alternative chosen. Local access will be maintained throughout construction, and a detour will be established to reroute through traffic. The proposed detour will follow Highway 76 to 96 to County CB to Highway 15 as noted on the slide. The project schedule is laid out on the screen. At this point, the project design team is continuing to gather information and work through preliminary design while the alternatives are being evaluated. Once the public has had a chance to view the information from this presentation, the project website, and provide some feedback, WIS is intending on making a final selection on a preferred alternative before the end of 2020. The plan would be to update plans and provide notice of the selection to the public in the spring of 2021 prior to moving into final design. With an alternative selected later this year, we expect to be ready to have limits of work refined and ready to begin real estate acquisition by the fall of 2021. Acquisition and utility moves would take place in 2022 and 2023, with roadway construction anticipated in 2024 currently. Aside from the Highway 76 and School Road project, WIS has other nearby projects in the works. Starting in 2021 through 2024, construction of the Highway 15 reconstruction from Greenville to New London will be ongoing. In addition, in 2025, we are anticipating reconstructing Highway 76 from Everglade Road to County Double J, with more information to come in the future on this project while prelim design for that project is ongoing. In addition to our construction project website, WIS also offers the In This Together program to area businesses and community leaders. This program provides ideas of how to plan for WIS construction in their area. WIS recognizes the challenges to businesses within and near work zones, and In This Together helps provide info on topics like business signing, advertising, and staying informed. This concludes the Highway 76 presentation. Please contact WIS staff listed here if you have any questions or comments about the project. Thank you for watching.